Hey everyone, just have a moment here to make a quick video to post Thursday. Kind of a disappointing day, of course. Started off very red, and for no reason in particular. Everything went green, so we had like a 60-point reversal on the ES today. This is the daily ES. There was the all last year and so forth. We bottom on October 13, and we started this counter turn rally, which has clearly pooped out because this was a very feeble higher high over here compared to the prior one. This was a Groundhog Day high, and then we've been slumping, and as I've mentioned repeatedly, finally broke our friend the trend line there, which had been supporting prices ever since October 13's low. And what was driving everyone bananas, and I was very vocal about it, was how I just couldn't seem to let go. And sadly, that's still the case. You can just think of this red line as a powerful magnet, and prices as iron bits. So it would try to escape, and it just keeps lurching back to that line over and over. And I had thought, if you sort of arc this down, that we're finally making some progress here. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and some acceleration, some kind of arcing down. We're getting a good, healthy distance from that red line, and then whoosh, up it goes, like 60, 70 points from the wee hours of this morning. So the line still has a lot of power, but as it is now, really all it did was approach that line formerly as support, now as resistance. So hopefully it will hold as resistance henceforth. As far as the NQ goes, kind of a different shape to it. Fibonacci's still very much in play here. Did a beautiful tag back on Groundhog Day of this Fibonacci, and it today pretty much bottomed out right near the next level down. So not a very surprising move here in terms of this weakness. And yet another angle on the market can be found by way of the Russell 2000 futures. Kind of an interesting series of lines going on here. As we look at the 4-year, you can see this basing pattern, which completed here and led to a very brief explosive rally higher, which fell to pieces. And we have been banging around this line right here. So not real clear, except in as much as the failed bullish breakout, you can see. So it's just still a big fat mess, to be honest. And the VIX got ground back down again to the teens. We're starting to show some signs of life there, and then just withered away all day long. As you know, the one kind of bright spot for me was Tesla, because we had a nice drop from its own Fibonacci all the way down to the 180s. And because of all the strength in the market today, it tried to find some buyers, but just really sputtered out. I mean, its own peak was right here, and then just it conceals it, but the market was very strong all day long, and Tesla just kind of puked around, did a whole lot of nothing, and then end of the day weak. As I'm standing here, I don't know if Costco's reported or not. I don't have a position. Oh, they have reported, and it's down pretty hard. Again, no position here, so no axe to grind, but I'm kind of pleased as a perma bear to see this lower. I've been pointing out that it's got a really cool diamond pattern, which you can't see here as much. It's completely invisible here, in fact, but you can see it quite plainly in slope charts. If I go to a weekly, maybe, yeah, you can see kind of in your mind's eye, the diamond pattern like so. Anyway, I'm going to the DMV. Isn't that exciting? So I'm going to skedaddle, and hope you're doing okay. This was a surprisingly bleh day for me. I thought Tesla would lead the way lower, but it did not. But it made things less bad. We'll say that. So we'll see how Friday goes. See you later.